Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to unlock the potential of word of mouth marketing for your business. Isn't it fascinating? We often hear the term word of mouth used repeatedly, yet sometimes its true power can go unnoticed. In today's digitally oriented landscape, where social media, paid advertisements, and elaborate campaigns often take center stage, it is easy to overlook the modest yet incredibly effective strategy of word of mouth marketing. However, here is the key point. It is a formidable force that has been propelling businesses forward long before the era of the internet. It is all about authentic connections, trust, and the simple act of one person endorsing another. So, let's delve into why marketers might be missing out on a valuable opportunity by not paying sufficient attention to word of mouth marketing. So, marketers often share a plethora of strategies to help us promote our businesses, whether it is leveraging the power of Instagram and Facebook ads or diving into pages of books like Expert Secrets. We get all pumped up, put on our creative hats, and start churning out content, hoping to reel in hordes of customers. But then, reality hits hard. You are met with silence or perhaps just a few kind comments from friends and colleagues. Clients aren't exactly breaking down your door, and that initial excitement can quickly turn into frustration. However, some businesses found that the majority of their clients actually came from through a tried and true method, word of mouth. Consider this scenario. Let us say you are planning to renovate your house. Did you immediately turn to Google to search for architects or builders? Chances are, you took the simpler route and asked your friends for recommendations, wanting to know who they hired and whether they had a positive experience. As it turns out, it comes from the power of word of mouth referrals. In a world where digital marketing trends often steal the spotlight, it is worth acknowledging that good old-fashioned recommendations from friends, family, and trusted acquaintances continue to hold immense sway in the decision-making process of consumers. So, while we certainly shouldn't neglect the digital strategies that marketers advocate, let us not underestimate that enduring strength of word of mouth as a cornerstone of business success. Check this out. A whopping 91% of all B2B buyers are influenced by word of mouth. So, we thought, why not turn word of mouth into a deliberate marketing strategy? After all, a referral is like the key to the door of resistance. As Bo Bennett brilliantly puts it, it is high time we ask ourselves a fundamental question. Where exactly do our clients come from? Well, the simple answer is that sometimes they emerge from the recommendations of your existing clients. So, the logical next step is to put our heads together and brainstorm ways to transform this into a genuine marketing strategy. A cornerstone of this strategy is the belief that when more people have a clear understanding of who you are, what you specialize in, and who benefits from your services, the likelihood of them becoming enthusiastic advocates increases. They will gladly share the word and bring in those cherished word-of-mouth referrals. In essence, it is about cultivating a wide-reaching network and crafting a sterling reputation, a formula we have seen consistently contribute to the achievements of other businesses. In a world saturated with advertising and marketing noise, where digital messages often get lost, the genuine voices of satisfied clients can be like a breath of fresh air. So consider making your clients the champions of your brand because, in the grand scheme of things, it might just be the most potent and reliable marketing strategy you can implement. So there you have it, the untapped potential of word-of-mouth marketing. It might not be as flashy as social media ads or SEO tricks, but it is a strategy that can yield powerful results. Don't underestimate the value of referrals and the power of people sharing their positive experiences with your business. Thanks for joining us today on this enlightening discussion about unlocking the potential of word of mouth. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to cultivate future business success, effective strategies to maintain a full pipeline. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.